Today I'm going to show you how to restore your plastic dip rims and get that shine that a glossifier cannot give you, okay guys?
There ain't nothing I'm gonna do for us. It may not be easy, this blended family, but baby, that's what you do for love.
Alright guys, this is my plastic dip rim. I plastic dipped these things about 6 months ago. As you can see, it look real ashy. See that? It look ashy. It's starting to kind of look borderline grayish. So what I'm going to do is restore them with some more plastic dip. But I'm going to show you how to really get a good shine on these things, man. Because the glossifier that they sell you for the plastic dip, it doesn't work very well. For those who tried glossifier before, they know what I'm talking about. The matte black look coats on really smooth when you spray just matte black plastic dip on your wheels. But when you put the glossifier on, it seems like it messes up your coat. It makes it look bumpy and stuff. No matter how smooth you put the matte black down, if you put glossifier on it, it automatically make it look real rigidy. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to use a different rubber coating on top of the plastic dip that's gonna give you that dark look, that dark shiny look that you're really looking for. As a matter of fact, show them the front, top part of that grill and show them how dark that looks compared to the rim. You see that? That's the type of look you want. You want it to look really, really dark. You know, in the matte black, it gets really ashy. It gets really ashy once the dirt hit it and everything. So we're gonna get it to where it's a really, really vibrant black, to where it look like a factory dark, deep black. Okay, with a shine to it. All right, guys. That's what That's what everybody who's looking for, that shine after they plastic dip the wheels. Okay. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go over here. I got some plastic dip over here. Okay, I'm gonna just start with the plastic dip. Give it a good shake first, always. Make sure you shake it up real good. You can level everything out inside the can. Alright, as far as these tires, okay guys, typically I would get some index cards and just kind of wedge them in all the way around and paint in the middle of the index cards. But these tires are old and raggedy. They're about to get taken off anyway, so I don't care if the plastic dip touch the tire. So I'm just going to go start with this. Make sure I just, you know, kind of basically retouch it with the plastic dip itself. And after I do that, then I will show you guys the stuff I'm going to use to help give it that dark, deep shine that you can't get with a glossifier. So you just kind of lightly coat it at, you know, a couple of coats at a time. You don't want to overdo it, man, because you won't look too pretty, man. You want it to finish nice and smooth and clean. All right. Till I cover the whole area. Because mind you, I don't need as much because I already have a lot of plastic dip on it. It's just worn out. Try to get it clean. And make sure you got a garage that's open and you're in an open area, because this plastic dip is strong, man. Man, this stuff is potent. You definitely don't want to pass out inhaling this plastic dip. All right. Trying to get on the inside of these, okay? And try not to spray so much inside your lug nut holes, because if you put too much inside the lug nut holes, the mistake I made at first, if you put too much plastic dip inside, once you screw your lug nuts on, it'll basically rip the plastic dip from the inside of your lug nut holes and it'll tear it off your rim. So try not to hit that, focus on the lug nut spots. Just go straight, just barely touch over it so you won't have to worry about it damaging. All right, guys, so that right there is the first coat. Oh, let me catch it right here. All right, guys, that's the first coat. So I'm gonna go over with another coat after that dries. Give that about 10 minutes, and I'm just gonna start on this rim down here. This got a little damage, but don't even worry about that. See this damage right there? It's like a little scarred, but I'm gonna just basically go over that and lock that back in. Since I'm going with different coats, I'm not going to even take the time to peel it. That's too much work. Show y'all an easy way to just fix that up, and you ain't got to worry about it. All right, so I'm gonna let that just rest for a few minutes, and then I will go back with the good stuff. All right, the good shiny dark stuff that y'all waiting for. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna go with the second coat. Same as last time. Whenever you apply your second coat, just make sure the front of the hole is not covered with Plasti dip, because if it's clogged, it'll backfire and start dripping all over your job, man. It's gonna be a real pain, okay? So here we go, second coat. Alright, now I'm gonna go back around this way so I can get the inside of this side as well. It's probably gonna be my last coat because I don't need much, because I'm just using this as the foundation. Alright guys, that right there will be the second and final coat. That's all I'm gonna do for that one. And this one here, I'm gonna do the same. Second coat. Make sure I get it really good. Especially these edges here, well, the curve checks spots, so I went a little too thick on one spot, but it's all right. All right, that should be good enough, guys. I think I covered just about all of it. And let that dry for about 10 minutes and come back. Alright guys, the second coat is dry pretty much for the most part. And now I'm going to show y'all my deep, darkest secret. This right here is another peelable coating. It's called Peel Coat by RUST-OLEUM. RUST-OLEUM, however you want to pronounce this. So not only, because I know Plasti dip is pretty popular, it's probably the most popular. It's rubber coating paint. For those out there who don't know what Plasti dip is a rubber coating. Pretty much you can spray it on anything and peel it off if you don't like it. Or you want to just switch it up, change colors, whatever. It peels right off, literally, just peel it. So this is another rubber coating. So but this one actually has a deeper gloss to it without trying to use a glossifier, because the glossifier is not that good, man. For those who really use Plasti dip a lot, they will know what I'm talking about. The glossifier is horrible. But this right here, this rubber coat, I put it over the Plasti dip because I trust Plasti dip. I know it peels off pretty easy. So with this one, I'm not too sure, but that's exactly why I'm gonna put it over the Plasti dip, okay? And just blend it in together. Rhea, shh.
Rhea, shh.
So this right here is gonna be the thing that give you that deep, dark shine. Here we go, guys. And this one right here is so crazy because this actually sprays on like a glossifier. It sprays on really light and clear. Might want to back up. Yeah, it sprays on really light and clear, but it makes it so dark with a deep shine. That's the beauty of it, man. So I'm gonna just keep spraying that around. Make sure I cover all the areas. And this right here is gonna darken it, man. That good factory dark look that you want is gonna come from this can right here. So I basically blended two rubber coating paints together. Plasti dip and RUST-OLEUM. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Now I'm going to come back this way. Always go back the opposite way. So yeah, this way. So I need to go this way, so I can hit inside of this side. All right. Alright guys, I think that'll do it for the first coat. Let's hit the blades. Alright guys, now I'm going to go to the other one. The other part. Okay. And that's going to give it that good shine. Like I said, it comes on just like a glossifier, man. It's really light. It almost is like it's not a paint. It's like a light glossifier. Which is actually paint. Alright guys, I'm gonna let that just chill for a second. As I let that dry for at least 10 minutes now, as you can see, it got a nice little shine to it. It looks wet, but it's actually not. It's pretty dry. You know, so I'm just gonna go with a second coat just to kind of bring that in just a little bit more. But yeah, it's actually like a clean look. Alright, so here we go. Final coat. So let that dry and good to go. Same thing over here. Let's do this coat again. All right. Alright guys, that is it. So I'm gonna let this last coat dry for 20 minutes and then come back to it. Alright guys, this is the finishing product. See, it looks way more vibrant, more shiny, deep dark black. Check it out, get a little closer so you can see. Look at that, man. That's what I'm looking for right there. Give the car a shinier look. Where your rims, I meant to say. Yeah, check that out. Damn. Definitely worth it, man. Definitely worth it. It's dry, man, so that's the look I was going for. And if you're looking for a look like this, you know exactly how to get it now, alright guys? Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe. SBF Gang Gang Gang, and we out. Peace.
Help me, mommy!
When you gonna bust a hole in the top?